Ato niya tanan. Good morning, everyone. Morning! Actually, hindi ako sanay na may ganyan kasi alam nyo naman si Go Cowboy. So, nanibago ako siguro sa kakadami ng bisita namin from national and dumating si Presidente, parating yung bagong Pilipinas sa atin by October 19. Siguro yung staff ko sa province nagpa-practice na for bagong Pilipinas, kaya may mga ganun na yung namin, yung presentation. But anyhow, today, although this is a weekend, today is Saturday, I know na this is the rest day for the teachers and the students, but we are very pleased and we are so honored to have right now as our guest na yun din yung nagbigay sa atin na materialize yung matagal na dream na ng EVR-SHS na magkaroon ng sariling campus. Because we all know from the fact that ang EVR-SHS ay just mga squatter tayo sa SNS, di ba? Pero ngayon, hindi na tayo squatter but we have our own home which is this campus, itong inuupuan at tinatayuan natin ngayon. And we are so grateful dahil sa tulong ng ating butihing senador na ever helpful, ever supportive dito sa Samar. You know what? With Senator Win, yung family kasi namin with Sec Rex, Wes, and my brothers, kumbaga, magkakaibigan. So, hindi na iba si Senator Win. Kaya sabi ko, pag election, minsan ako na yung tatawag kay Rex, kay Sec Rex. Sasabihin ko na, ano ba, kailangan mo pa ba ng tulong ng Samar? Kasi hindi ka na tumatawag sa akin kung ano na, parating na yung election. But then Sec Rex will always tell me na, alam ko naman na nandyan kayo parati for us. So hindi ko na, kumbaga hindi na tayo iba sa kanila. So, thank you so much, Sen Win, for this very beautiful building that you give. You shared your funds with us here in the province, and hindi namin makakalimutan yung binigay ninyo sa amin dito, especially sa DepEd family, together with our students. So, magmumukha na silang private school dito ngayon. And of course, we are so lucky that Senator Win also kasama niya yung isang maganda at iniidolo din natin. Walang iba kundi si Miss Bianca Manalo. So ma'am, thank you so much for accompanying Sen Win, and thank you so much for coming to the province also. And of course, we also have my brother who's very supportive. Makikita naman natin during budget hearing, nagtatrabaho ng sobra yung congressman natin dito sa 2nd District. Hayaan na natin si 1st District, wala naman siya dito. So, nandito ngayon, tinatawagan na nga ako ng mga staff ni Sec Bunuan kasi sa kakareklamo natin sa kalsada natin. But then, hopefully, sa 2024-2025 budget, yung mga sira nating kalsada maayos na. We are just we're asking the national government na mas lumapad pa yung kalsada. Hindi lang maayos yung mga nalubak or nasira, but we want to widen our road. Same with other provinces na maganda na yung Maharlika Highway. And thanks to Kong Mike for that. And for our airport, kasi nung una parang nadidismayan na kami kasi nawalan daw ng pondo yung 2025, which hopefully kung napasok yung 2025, maglaland na dito yung few of the planes na po pwede na magkaroon ng flight sa atin. But then, Kong Mike and Minority Floor Leader Nonoy Libanan made a very good representation to the national government na mabigyan tayo ng funding para mag-materialize yung dream na matagal na ng buong probinsya na magkaroon ng airport dito sa Catbalogan. So thanks, Kong Mike, for that. And of course, we have also, akala nga ni Sen Sherwin, na estudyante siya, kasi parang halos kapareho lang yung itsura niya sa mga students namin, kulang na lang yung uniform. So, nandito rin kasama natin, very active, very supportive, and yun yung sinasabi ko na parati nating mayroong strong collaboration with the city government. Walang iba kundi ang ating Mayor, Mayor Dexter Uy. And ito naman, yung representative ng RD natin sa DepEd, very close friend, kaibigan nating matalik natin pa, yung ARD natin si Sir Fermo. So Sir, good to see you again. And we also have Ma'am Tamayo, our SDS, and the rest of the staff, mga technical staff ng ng City Division, together also with our ABR-SHS staff and faculty, headed by Sir Rolex. Sana ba si Sir Rolex? Ayan, dito. So Sir, thank you so much for accepting na ikaw yung maging principal dito. And I know that I am confident that you can handle ABR-SHS ng maayos. So to the student leaders that we have right now, I know na yung pinapunta dito are what you call that, mga officers ng each classrooms ng dito, mga estudyante dito sa ABR-SHS. Kasi yung dalawa kong anak, maagang-maaga, 7 o'clock, mga 6:30 pa lang sila nagising na para makapunta dito. Sabi ko nga, mamaya pa kaming 9 o'clock, but then my kids said that there will be a mass na magkakaroon pa dito at saka may activity pa. So, again, for the student leaders, the officers, set of officers from the different grade level, I hope that you will manage well sa facility natin. Ingatan natin at maintain natin yung malinis na environment, because once you have a clean and orderly environment, automatically everything will be maayos din. So, and we have our Oasis of Serenity, which is part of our support for our mental health program, the Purple Desk, which our Secretary of the SWD also supported. So meron tayo dito, this will be our first, because the rest of the schools, they will only have the Purple Desk, which we will be giving out and together with the module. But here, you are so lucky because you have this Oasis of Serenity, where pag burnout na yung mga teachers, at hindi lang teachers, pati yung mga estudyante natin na burnout na sa mga teachers, you can have a stay or meditate in the Oasis of Serenity. You can freely go there and somehow makalma at mawala na yung stress natin, because we all know na even the young ones, they're also stressed out. So again, thank you so much, and more programs and projects that will come to ABR-SHS. And this building in the right side, this will be finished on December, so we're gonna have an official turnover totally this coming December for the academic building. This is the science building, by the way. So again, thank you so much. Hindi ko na lang hahabaan yung speech ko, kasi ang importante ngayon, ang ating butihing bisita, our guest, who really make our dreams come true here in the province of Samar, especially for ABR-SHS. So, walang iba kundi ang ating parating sinusuportahan, tinutulungan dito sa probinsya, and likewise, nagsusuporta at tumutulong sa atin dito, especially when we need to push some bills and some programs sa Senado. Walang iba kundi ang ating pinakamamahal na senador, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our keynote speaker.